Righto guys, back in Waikawa. We've had 3 weeks of storms and floods and rain, and finally heading out for a fish. So it's probably the nicest day we've had in a month, I reckon, and it's absolutely epically beautiful. So looking forward to getting out there. Got a heap of gear. Middle of winter, it was -2 when I left home. So I have got diving gear, but I'm not too sure if I'm keen to get in, but we'll see how we go. And just out for a good day and chill out and have a cook up and see if we can catch a fish or two. So come along, hopefully we can have a good day. Crack a day. Oh well guys, we arrived in a bit of a spot. Took a while to get here. I just stopped at a couple of little reefs just for a little drop with a jig, with no luck, but absolutely crack a day out here. It's slowly glassing off. The wind's supposed to die down to nothing. I did want to go for a dive, but I'm not sure. One, it's freezing cold, and two, it looks quite green and murky, so I'm not too sure if that's going to happen, but we'll get up here, put the anchor out, put some burley out and see if we can get something happening, and at least do a bit of fishing and have a coffee, warm up. It's freezing, but beautiful day, so it'll warm up nice. Right, cool. Got the anchor out. Hopefully the boat will swing around with the wind, but first job is to get out some burley, and I just bought some of this stuff here from Mike from Henderson's Cove Road. So I believe it's the pellets, or similar pellets to what they feed the salmon. So hopefully that will go out, and it should last quite a long time sitting on the bottom. So yeah, that'll be quite good. And I've got some normal burley as well, but this is what we're going to give a bit of a crack and put heaps of that out. Hopefully with that and some other burley, it'll bring some fish in for us. So yeah, so you're selling that at the shop if anybody wants to try that. We'll see how it goes today. Well, that's an awesome start to the day. Spiky dog, yeah, not an awesome start to the day. Not target species by any means. Oh, if anybody wants my shark fishing spot, I'm more than happy to give the coordinates out for this one. Early days. That's about 9 sharks so far, so I'm about to pull pin on this spot. This is just ridiculous. Have to go up here and go for a dive, I think. Whoa, she's cold though. Yeah, good thing I bought some sausages for lunch. Might not catch anything. Another shark, and sharks following up as it came. So that's it, we're out of this spot. Time to move spots. That's nearly 20 sharks, I think, so I've done my time yet. Righto guys, shifted spots, all suited up now, so I'm going to get in the water here. Got about 2 meters visibility, I think, so that should be enough to hopefully find something. I'd love to get a crayfish, but just get in and have a look because I've got sharks today, so anything's better than nothing. And yeah, trying out the new 7mm wetty wetsuit. So yeah, can't wait to get into the water with this. So it should keep me warm, being as it's freezing cold, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's a commercial suit, so it's the upper grade one. So yeah, it's got lube everywhere. That's all good. That'll wash off. See you in the water, see what we can find.
Alright guys, that was a pretty good dive, very quick. Got a couple of Kinas though, and I've got a cray for lunch. Plenty of crays there, I'll show you, but they're all just nests of small ones. A few big ones tucked in right in the back, out of reach. But good to see heaps of small ones, pretty shallow, but pretty dirty. So I just wanted to, I've got a Kina to have a snack on and a cray to cook up for lunch. So absolutely wrapped. So I'll pack all this up, get up, and then try and catch some fish somewhere. And then we'll go and have some lunch. Righto. Not a massive crate, I'm pretty sure it's legal. I'll give them a measure up, but yeah, just legal. Awesome. Righto team, give this Kina another try. A little bit of roe in there. They're getting better. The more I eat, the more I'm starting to like them. So this would be, honestly, the first time I've ever gone back for seconds. We'll get that shell out of it, eh? Yep. Definitely getting more edible the more I eat them. Well, that was 3 bits out of 1. It used to make me vomit. Yeah. Alright guys, fishing's terrible, but got a crayfish, so I'm going to cook that up for lunch. So nice and easy. Bit of garlic, bit of butter. I'll crack the cray in half and put it in there. Nothing like fresh crays. Take the meat out of that, chuck it in a wrap. Done. It's going to have fish wraps, but can't even catch a fish. Woohoo! That's a baby snapper. Well, that's encouraging. A little 25cm snap. Cute little fish. Oh, you can go back. Hey, might be legal blue cod. Oh guys, finally a legal cooked fish, blue cod. 34, but I'm going to keep it because fishing is so hard today. Right, snapper, I'm calling it. Legal. Yes! Woohoo! Legal snapper. Just. It's only 30cm, guys, but it is legal. And it is a nice, beautiful couple of fillets for my daughter, being as it's her favourite eating fish. So I am going to take that one. So it's still within the size. Excellent. Righto, guys. I'm going to have some lunch. Gonna have a wrap, and then I'm going to throw some burley in the burley pot, throw some more of this pellet burley out, and there's a few snapper, a few little fish here, so we'll see how we go for a couple of hours this afternoon. Excellent. Oh, there's lunch. Looks pretty horrible, eh? Ah. No such thing as a bad day down the Sounds. Oh, that's beautiful. Right, gonna eat this, put some burley out, back into fishing.
Oh guys, having round 2 for lunch. So now I've got some mean sausages supplied by Utopia Home Kills in Westport. So yeah, I think they're jalapeno and sour cream sausages, venison and pork I think. But yeah, they just smell wicked. So cheers Stu, I'm into those today for lunch after crayfish, but hopefully they're good. So yeah, awesome, and we'll carry on doing a bit more fishing. That'll be number 2. It's 33.5 that one, so I'm going to put him back. Even though he's legal, hopefully I'm going to get another bigger one. Another species, little terracay. Cool. They probably will be legal, but just too tiny. Right. Hey guys, just got another nice wee cod, so it's 33.5 again. Just want something a little bit bigger. The fillets on those are just too small. Jalapeno and sour cream cheese sausages. Yum. They are real good. Jalapeno, yum. Oh, yum. Beautiful. So I'm going to leave the video there. Pretty bad day fishing. Got a snapper though, got a cod, had a crayfish for lunch, so a few nice sausages, and an awesome day down the Sound, especially when the weather's like this. So I hope you like that one. Like and subscribe, all that, so carry on, and we'll see you on the next one. Awesome. Beautiful day.